I'm Dr. Susan Edwards and the founder of Team Velvet. Welcome. We are currently leasing this beautiful property in Flemington, New Jersey, and our dream is to make it our permanent home and regional treatment center for child trauma. We need your help. Team Velvet provides non-mounted horse therapy to children who have experienced profound trauma and adjustment issues, and the kids are 5 to 12 years old. And trauma causes a child in an extreme level. If a child witnesses a death of a parent or the loss of a loved one, or is a victim of violence or even observes violence, profound trauma can make a child want to die. And in my career, I have sat across the table from 8-year-olds who wrote a suicide note, and it changes you. It changes you forever. So this is Velvet, okay? He's our lead therapy horse. He is spunky, all right? You want some more? All right, and very smart. And he can pull sadness from children in an amazing way. They teach him how to dance, how to play, and do training. Okay. And he's not perfect, because kids like him better that way. This is Precious. She's the lead mare. She is a beauty queen. It's how she sees herself, and especially popular with the girls. Now, she's learning to dance along with Velvet and the pony. And we have for our upcoming event a 3-horse dance line, don't we? All right? Now, look, she puts her foot up and she's saying, okay. So this is little Annie, okay? She's a miniature. We call her Minnie, and she is probably one of the most assertive horses in the herd, all right? When it's time to be fed, she makes the loudest noise with her bucket, with her feed bucket. Kids like her because she's very affectionate, and she follows them, does whatever they ask, actually, and it's just the right size for a hug, okay? Aren't you? Huh? I said to a boy, a very bright boy, who had experienced violence. I said, you can ask Velvet any question you want. What would you ask him? So the boy looks at the horse and says, how can I get more love in my life? Now, I'm standing there, had no words for that. My whole career, kids have said, I'll get better grades if my parents give me more love. I'll get on the honor roll if I can get a pet, all right? They've never just gone consumer direct, how can I get more love? So this boy did. So I said, okay, now you draw a picture, you ask the question, and what do you think Velvet would answer? So he drew a picture of himself, and he drew a picture of the horse. And above himself, he wrote in the bubble, how can I get more love in my life? And above the horse, he waited a minute, and then he wrote this, stick with me and act in a loving way. Now, that's what you want children who've had trauma to come to. Not to withdraw from love, not to act out against it, not to hurt people who they have something they don't have, but that's it. And that child touched me forever. And it came from the horse, not from me, from the horse.